The power windows function when the ignition switch is placed in the on position and for a short time after the vehicle is turned off. The power is immediately canceled if the driver's or passenger's door is opened after the ignition switch is placed in the off position. These switches located on the driver's door panel allow the driver to open or close all windows. To open a window, push down on the appropriate switch. To close, pull it up. To stop the opening or closing at any point, simply let up on the switch. Each passenger side window has its own control switch located on the door side panel. To use your automatic windows, push the switch down completely and release for the window to fully open. To stop the opening at any point, pull the switch in the opposite direction. The power window lockout feature prevents passengers, such as small children, from accidentally opening windows. When the window lock button is depressed, only the driver's window switches can be used to open or close a rear window. Press the button again to cancel the window lock feature. If the power window automatic function, closing only, does not operate properly, see the owner's manual to initialize the power window system. If it still doesn't operate normally, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.